Right guys, how we doing? So we're now moving into May. So it's time for succession sowing of lettuce. Now my wife will only eat iceberg lettuce, so basically that's what I'm sowing. And I mean, look at this, 9,000 seeds for £1. You cannot argue with Premier Seeds Direct. And I tried these last year and got nowhere with them. So I'm going to try them this year again. And it's baby pak choi, which is a cabbage, and I think you only grow them to a certain height and then take them or cut them up or whatever. I like them in my stir fries. When I make a stir fry, I like some pak choi in it. Or I do fish in a bag with sweet chilli sauce and pak choi in it. So I'm going to try these again to see how we get on. So this is 500 seeds for £1. Premier Seeds Direct. And I'm just going to sprinkle them into this tray. This one's the pak choi one, isn't it? Yep, pak choi. Now, normally, or what I used to do, was to sprinkle them on and then cover them. But I actually felt responsible for each and every single one of them, and I wouldn't throw any away, so it taken up a lot of room when you're potting them on and bring. So what I've started to do now is just do maybe 8. So I place them, and then maybe in another couple of months I'll do another 8 if they're still viable by then. You know, if I've still got time for them to grow on. And that's 8 pak choi done. I really like pak choi, so I hope I can get these to work. Maybe I'll have to YouTube it, Google it. Maybe I'm doing something seriously wrong. And something similar with the iceberg. I've already got, I think I've got 6 out in the garden just now. But the way I'd done them previously was put them in damp kitchen roll in a freezer bag, and get them started and then transfer them over. So this time I'm going to just put them into soil, compost. Oh, maybe do 8 again, and if I lose some, then that'll give me plenty. As I was saying, I used to just throw the seeds in, let them come up, but I then began to feel, you know, that's a waste, and that's a waste, and that's a waste. I was giving stuff away because of too much. So now I've started just, rather than have a glut of one thing at the beginning, or when they mature, have a glut and having to chop them up and blanch them and then freeze them, and well, I'm just gonna try succession planting this time round, just to see what happens and see if it fails better than it normally does. So that's that. I'll just cover all these up. And give them a water and put them up under the grow lights. We'll see how things go. Right, so all that's left now is to give them a water and put them up and see how they come on. Okay, we'll move on to something else. Bye for now.